qualifiers making their way here to the final. It is a 101-degree track temperature, 101. 72 degrees out there for you great fans. 1030 is the standard correction. 1425 the density altitude. 50 grains of water in the air. We've seen an increase in performance today in the naturally aspirated machines because the weather got better. Simple as that. Tell they always take a little extra time lining up the pro stock motorcycles. Believe it or not, it's more critical for a pro stock motorcycle to be lined up straight than it is any other machine. Gaige and Matt, they've only raced one other time in the final round. Gaige got the better of that. Of course, he's only ever had one final round loss, and that was Stevie J. By 60 feet, Gaige made that out, and he goes 6:63.